Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Monday. Today in grammar, we are focusing on commas in a list. A comma is a punctuation mark that helps us separate words or phrases in a sentence. So we use commas to separate several list items in one sentence. So today what we're going to do is we are going to write a list and use commas to break up our sentences. So I have organized a list of groceries that I would like to buy at the shops. So I have bread, milk, and chocolate. Now I'm going to put these groceries in a sentence. I have completed my sentence and I have written, I am going to the shops to buy bread, milk, chocolate. As you can see, I haven't used any commas yet. So we need to work out where our commas should go to break up our sentence so it's easier to read. I have added in a comma, which is between the words bread and milk to break up those two words. And I have also added the word and, which you would use at the very end of your sentence. So now I have written a list of groceries that I would like to buy at the shops. I have written a sentence and then I have added a comma and the word and to separate the items in the list. You will see in front of you, I have written some ideas that you can write about. You can write about your favorite toys and put them in a list, going to the park, shopping, cooking, baking, or your favorite foods. Now, these are just some examples that you can use. You can also come up with your own. If you are in grade 1, you can write 1 to 2 sentences with different examples of using a comma or commas in a list. And grade 2, you can write 2 to 4 sentences.